Okay, we are in a semi-coastal area today, and we just found a like few shed-type structures
Like
just off the side of the road.
Or something.
Yeah, could.
Very small,
Yeah,
but it's definitely really old though.
yeah. You can tell by the way the side is constructed. That's old siding. I'm still not sure it's a full house. Yeah. They did property market, but yeah, there's no posted signs. I don't think a Dunkin' wrapper counts as a posted sign. Oh, wait a minute. Is that an inhabited house right there?
They didn't post it, I think.
Look, there's a tank there. I guess we'll go quick. Pretty old. Yeah, literally just a shed. Well, there's really not much here. Let's see what I can learn. It's completely, doesn't look like they took anything out. Yeah. Question is, locked. Oh, that's like a, I mean, it's not new because, but that hydraulic is in very good condition. See, it's weird because this window's broken, that window's broken, so it's clearly abandoned. And with all this, like, you can't live here. But at the same time, it's like, this was not abandoned a long time ago and you could live here. But the theory with this one is that it's just on land that, so if you see back there, there's an enormous quarry.
The window's open.
Yeah? Okay. There's an enormous quarry back there. And this is right here, so we think that the...
Right here.
Oh, I see. We think that the excavation company bought up this house and the land for the quarry. Oh, the door's open too. Okay. No, it doesn't. bird's nest. Yeah, no, this one doesn't seem too bad because it was abandoned due to being sold, not because of structural problems. So no, the floor feels fine.
Old.
That's a weird, like a stretcher.
Old stuff. Ooh.
Oh, this is cool.
Honestly, you could have squatted at one point.
I mean, this is a perfect squatter house.
Exactly.
This area is totally fine to breathe in because it's just the wood. It's all stripped
There's
out.
a little bit of black mold downstairs.
Yeah.
But this place is so far not bad.
Yeah.
Old bedroom.
Alright. Yeah, this whole house is completely fine.
Besides the barn.
Yeah. Damn. Yeah. There's the basement. Huh. Nice stone foundation. Very small, not much to it.
Anything down there?
No. It's small. It's kind of cool, but
To the barn.
oh yeah.
It's a Mr. T Fortune's barn a little bit.
Yeah, it does.
Those newspapers are good. Oh yeah, this is not old. 10 years ago. Oh,
Oh,
no, this is-
Friday, May 5th, 2000.
yeah, this is 2000 also.
Oh yeah, that's late 90s, early 2000s. Huh. Well, it's a pretty cool barn. That's all there is to this one. See you next stop. So this is a posted bando that we can't go in because it's posted. But there's another bando right across the road that does not appear to be posted. That we can't even see. We just know it's on the map. So, yeah. Is that, oh, is that it? That gray one, or is it the neighbor?
That's it.
Okay.
The white to the right was the neighbor I was talking about.
Okay.
So I'd go straight.
Yeah, that's what I was planning to, just straight back in. But yeah, this thing's cool. Very posted. Windows intact, so definitely not.
It's really abandoned. That's just it's not used.
Yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. Well, but the side just looks so shitty.
Oh no, it is missing some windows.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, it's 110.
Like, but just clearly posted,
But we're
so
not gonna bother them.
yeah.
Unless they're not asking.
It's got a satellite dish still, but see, then look at this side. This side, that metal siding is just,
Just hold.
yeah. Okay, so as you can see, nobody's been up this road in years. That stuff's all grown. I'm seeing a lot of intact windows, but that's no guarantee But there's no way in. Ooh, that door looks pretty new. So it's possible that this was a remodel and that it was abandoned mid-remodel. Either that or they just got some very good paint. Yeah. This looks less abandoned than the road would indicate.
But like everything on Jesus, it's not.
Right.
It's actually like it's pretty open stuff.
Yeah. Looks like you can just easily climb into the basement even if it isn't. Oh yeah, with the stairs up into the house.
Okay, Eddie.
Oh. Got an old truck. Oh yeah, the back door's open. Of course it is. RIP garage shed thing. This one's still standing.
Look at old farm.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they got storage up there too. I wonder if they have. This is in pretty good condition. Is there anything up there?
I don't know. I'll find out when I look at the footage. I'm just holding the thing up. It's funny how I have like the same exact shovel in my garage and it's just about as rusty. Damn.
Just wood and magazines.
Lockers. Like school lockers. Oh.
Yeah, wood and magazines.
Yeah. Oh, that's a 3 on the tree. This is a 3-speed manual that's column shifter mounted. You never see those anymore. But back in the day, that was the, that's what everybody had. So that's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. $63 when it was registered. Here you go, and I gotta mask up.
This is nuts.
Yo. $1947 Life magazine.
This goes upstairs right here.
Tube TV. Nice quilt.
This is bathroom. This goes upstairs. Oh, okay. Oh, black mold. Glad I'm wearing a mask. Let me put mine on. Crystal doorknobs. Yeah. That rocking horse is cool. Oh, that's awful black mold. Yeah, it's full and really bad black mold. They were in the middle of redoing it. They sealed off this entry upstairs. Huh. This is that door. Still in excellent condition. It's crazy because the era of all of this and the style of everything in here reminds me so much of the house I grew up in. Those 2005 photos on the fridge. And